Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of a highly anticipated running shoe that's been making waves in the market. Starting with the design, Puma hasn't necessarily reinvented the wheel here. The Velocity Nitro 3 maintains a familiar look, not the flashiest in Puma's lineup but functional. It's available in several color options, catering to different tastes. The shoe feels well constructed, with a decent level of durability apparent in its materials. Moving on to fit and comfort, which are crucial for any running shoe, the Velocity Nitro 3 impresses. It accommodates a range of foot shapes well, with ample room in the toe box while providing a snug fit through the midfoot. This balance is ideal for longer runs and everyday training sessions, offering support without sacrificing comfort. In terms of performance, the Velocity Nitro 3 shines in various scenarios. It's equipped with a good amount of cushioning, making it comfortable over longer distances. Whether you're tackling a steady jog or pushing the pace a bit, the shoe handles it admirably. The outsole also provides decent grip, suitable for light trails and urban environments alike. So, should you consider adding the Puma Velocity Nitro 3 to your running arsenal? Absolutely. It's an affordable option that doesn't compromise on comfort and performance. Whether you're a casual runner or someone who logs serious miles, this shoe offers great value. That wraps up our in-depth review of the Puma Velocity Nitro 3. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.